efficient use of water and solar energy is very crucial, especially in agriculture where resources are often exploited. Therefore, we are here with a practical solution including two sustainable technologies, that is solar energy and drip irrigation.
Yes, drip irrigation itself is an incredible water efficient system. Water is delivered directly to the roots of the plant through network of pipes and emitters, reducing wastage. This system is very important in areas where electricity is scarce and unreliable.
Let us see how it works. The solar panel, which rotates according to the movement of the sun, captures the solar energy and converts it into electricity. This powers the water system, which pushes the water from the water pump through the pipes of the drip irrigation. Instead of using traditional and power-hungry methods, the energy we use here is completely sustainable with no emissions and environmental impact.
Exactly, and this leads to the main objective of our model, to use natural resources like solar and water in the best possible outcome, reducing cost and increasing the efficiency. Agriculture often uses large amount of water and energy, so finding a link between high productivity and resource conservation is the key.
Let us talk about its advantages. First, since it is solar powered, it can be operated in off-grid areas, which is very essential for remote farming communities. Second, this uses 60% less water than the traditional methods, which is a perfect solution for villages and cities with water scarcity. Since we use free, abundant solar energy, this drastically reduces the energy cost.
That's right, and there's even more. Since panels work during the day with abundance of sunlight, the system is naturally aligned with plant water needs, especially in hot climates. Farmers are also benefited as this requires less manual labor, and solar panels have a lifespan of 20 years, which makes it a long-term solution.
We are also excited to tell the future potential of this project as we can use technologies like smart sensor, which sends the moisture level in the soil and irrigate it accordingly. This optimizes plant growth. We can also create an irrigation robot for more sustainability and reduce labor cost.
That's an important point. The potential for further development is very vast. Technology is increasing every day and solar panels are becoming more efficient and less expensive, which will only make our model more accessible and impactful in the coming years. We could also integrate the use of mobile controls and remote controls so that farmers can control the system.
So, in conclusion, our model is a sustainable solution for two major challenges facing agriculture, that is, efficient use of water and energy. This is a step towards resilient agriculture system that not only increases crop yields but also protect our environment.
We believe that with further development, this system can be adapted in different regions and scales of agriculture. It is a solution for today, and with further innovation, this can become a practice for sustainable agriculture. Thank you.